Hey guys, it's Lex. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial based off of some of my favorite Rainforest of the Sea products, along with some of my favorite H2O gloss shades. So if you would like to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. To prep my skin for foundation, I'm going in with our Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. I always like to shake the bottle really well prior to applying it and then dropping the product directly onto my skin and rubbing it in. These are gonna give your skin that really nice, healthy, hydrated glow that we all love and are looking for. For foundation today, I'm using our Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Light Neutral. I love this foundation because it's infused with 20% water, so it's gonna be crazy lightweight. Plus it has a custom dropper on it, so you can drop the foundation directly onto your double-ended foundation brush and buff it in. And since I'm going for more of like a light to medium coverage, I'm just gonna apply a few drops onto my brush and then blend it into each area. Whereas if I wanted more of like a fuller coverage, I could apply about 6 to 8 drops. So it does have customizable coverage, which is awesome. For concealer, I'm using our Aqua Sealer Concealer in the shade Fair Light. I like to apply this underneath my eye area and also in any of those problem areas, like if you're having a little bit of breakouts like I am right now on my chin. And this is also infused with 20% water, so it's gonna be really lightweight while also being really hydrating, and it looks like skin, which I love. And I'm using our double-ended concealer brush to buff this out. I like to use the fluffier side for my under eye, and then in those areas that I want to spot conceal, I like to use the denser end. I went ahead and applied my bronzer, my blush, and my brows off camera just so that we could get everything else going with the tutorial, but I will tell you what I used. I used our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Risque, which is like my favorite shade right now, our Park Ave Princess Waterproof Bronzer, and then for my brows, I also used our Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse in the shade Ash Blonde. I'm gonna link down below all the products that I used in this tutorial, but just so that you guys know anyway, and we're gonna get going with everything else. For highlight today, you guys know that I always love to overdo it with highlighter, and this is by far one of my favorite highlighter palettes we've ever made. It's our Skin Twinkle Volume 2 palette, and it comes with 4 different highlighters in here. I always like to mix them and do like a highlighter cocktail. So today I'm gonna be applying the shades Spotlight and Daylight and just tapping between the two and applying those on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. For eyes, I'm gonna be using our Foil Finger Paint Shadow Palette, and I'm gonna be applying the shade Gold Coast all over my lid first. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Gold Coast and brush along my lower lash line with my pinky. Going back in with the Skin Twinkle Volume 2 palette, I'm gonna be tapping into the shade Skylight right here and applying that on the inner corner. Prior to applying mascara and lashes, I'm going to be creating a microline with our So Fine microliner. The tip on this thing is awesome because it's very, very fine and small, so it's perfect for creating a microline along your lash line, plus it's vegan and waterproof. And for mascara, I'm going with our Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I'm just gonna do a light coat because I am applying false lashes, so I'm just gonna do this on the upper lash line. For lashes today, I'm going to be using our Tarte Pro Cruelty-Free Lashes in the style Goddess. I went ahead and removed them from the tray, and I'm just gonna brush on some of our Tarte Pro Lash Adhesive in the shade Clear. We make this in 2 different shades, clear and black, but today I'm going to be using the clear shade. And I love that the applicator lets you just brush the lash adhesive directly onto the lash band. And I don't know if you guys can see it or not because it is the wonderful world of camera. But it does go on kind of like in a blue hue, and then whenever it's ready to be applied, it dries clear, and that's how you know that they're ready to pop on. And I'm gonna be using our lash helper to apply these. See, this one's like already clear. And I like to hold a compact really close to my eye whenever I'm applying lashes, just so that I can get up close and personal and really see what's going on. Finish off my look, I'm gonna be going in with our H2O gloss. I know you're probably wondering why I have a bunch in my hand right now. And that's because I'm gonna swatch some of my favorite shades for you guys, and then I'm just gonna apply like a really nice neutral shade just to finish off the look. But I wanted to talk about these a little bit just because they are so amazing, and I feel like a lot of you guys have been asking about them as well. So they're water-based, which makes them really lightweight, but they also have ocean source nutrients in them, so they're gonna be really hydrating and nourishing to the lip, while also being an amazing lip gloss. So we make these in 4 different finishes: metallic, iridescent, pearlescent, and cream. And these babies come in 14 different shades and are packed with intense, super lacquered shine without being really tacky or sticky feeling, which I love. But I'm gonna swatch some of them for you guys. So this one's really pretty. This is Bora Bora. This is like a holographic iridescent glitter shade. Look at how beautiful this is. I love this for whenever I'm just going out and I just want something that's like really light but also has some glitter in it. This is the shade Sundress. This one has more of like a cream finish. This one is Maui. This is one of my favorite bolder shades that we came out with. It's like the perfect hot pink. This one is called Bahamas. This one's like a really beautiful metallic, iridescent, pearlescent shade. It's one of my faves. And last but not least, this is Room Service, which is another really beautiful cream shade that we make, and it's like a mauve-y pink color. I'm feeling the shade Sundress right now with the look that we have going on, just because it's a little bit more nude and neutral, and I thought it would be really nice to finish everything off. To set everything and hold my makeup in place forever, I'm going to be using our Marine Boosting Mist. This mist is awesome because it is 4 mists or 4 different products like in one. It's a skin refresher, a hydrating mist, a setting spray, and also can be used as a primer. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I so enjoyed creating this look for you guys based off of some of our Rainforest of the Sea products that are my favorite, along with some of my favorite H2O gloss shades. If you liked this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and leave me a cute little fish emoji down in the comment section below, letting me know that you liked this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye tartlets!